Now let's get a little bit more practice dealing with areas of triangles and quadrilaterals. In the trapezoid ABCD shown here, if CO is equal to 2AO and the area of triangle DCO is 20 centimeters squared, then what is the area of ABCD? Looking at this trapezoid, we can see that it'll be easier to find the area if we use the triangle that's been broken down into. So let's label these so they're easier to talk about. I'm going to label this one as triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3, and triangle 4. Now, let's look at what information we've already been given. We're told here that triangle DCO is 20 centimeters squared. That's this triangle right here, DCO. It's triangle 2. So let's add right up here that triangle 2 is equal to 20 centimeters squared. That's one area that we've already been given. Now, we're also told that CO, this line right here, is twice as big as AO. It's twice as long. So right where they split here at O, this half is going to be AO, and it's only half as big as the other side, CO. Now, knowing that triangle 1 and triangle 2 share this height, we can see that triangle 2 is going to be twice as big as triangle 1. They have the same height, but triangle 2 has a base that's twice as long. This means that triangle 2 is equal to twice triangle 1. If triangle 1 is half as big as triangle 2, we can add it to our list over here saying that triangle 1 is half what triangle 2 is, which was 20 centimeters squared, and half of 20 is 10. So triangle 1 is 10 centimeters squared. Now, we also know from looking at this diagram that triangle 2 plus triangle 4 is equal to triangle 3 plus triangle 4. Now, knowing this, we can cancel out the triangle 4 on each side and know that triangle 2 is exactly the same size as triangle 3. This means that we can add triangle 3 to our list. Triangle 3 has the same area as triangle 2, so it has 20 centimeters squared as its area. Now, the only triangle we have left to find is the area of triangle 4. Let's look again at what we were given here, the fact that CO is twice as big as AO. If you notice, the height BO of triangles 3 and 4 is the same. They share that line. And again, the base of triangle 3 is half the size of the base of triangle 4. So just like we use this for triangles 1 and 2, we can say that triangle 4 is equal to 2 times triangle 3. So now we can add to our list that triangle 4 is equal to twice as big as triangle 3, which was 20 centimeters squared, and 20 times 2 is 40 centimeters squared. So triangle 4 is 40 centimeters squared. Now that we have our 4 triangles, we can add them up to find the total, which is going to be equal to 90 centimeters squared. So we can say that the whole trapezoid with all 4 triangles together will have an area of 90 centimeters squared.